What's really good, people? Welcome back. Stu is back. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna call you up. 2017 Honda HRV. HRV. This is the first generation. That will be from 2016 to 2022. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life too. So stay tuned. Shout out to subscribers, viewers, yeah, shout outs to subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Do your thing. All right. Uh, Not necessary to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. Okay. But if you have something to say, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car. 44,000 miles. All right. Let's do it. Yeah. This is how you open the hood. All right. This one right here. Just put it like that. Bah. We'll come through over here to the front. See the lever for the latch. You're gonna need this holder right here. All right, boom. This is what you see. This is engine oil cap. It tells you what type of oil it takes. 0W20. Okay. Oil dipstick. Spark plug coils. Windshield fluid reservoir. Coolant reservoir. Battery. Engine oil filter. Brake fluid reservoir. Little fuse box. Motherboard. ABS. Alternator. O2. PGR. Fans that are independent. Okay, that means they are not it's not one single unit. Okay, uh, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's do the oil change. Come on. All right, here at the bottom, everything is beautiful. Oil drain plug, oil filter. Uh, this is gonna be 17 millimeter. Let's get it. All right, what is this? 17 millimeter, right? Just like that. What you think about that color? Let me know. Put it in the comment box. Hey, by the way, let me tell you this. If you wanna remove all the oil, most of it, and you have a lot of time, then do it at night. Let it drain over the night. First thing in the morning, you just put the oil drain plug back. That's it. But if you're in a rush, or whatever, you don't have that much time in the middle of the day, or you're in the middle of the day or whatever, let the car run, warm it up, then put some diesel in the engine where you pour the new oil right there. Pour like a quarter or something. Then idle the car. All right, idle the car uh, for a minute. Then drain the oil. Most of the oil is going to come out since it's being rinsed by the diesel. Non-chain. A lot of people are going to be like, "Yo, but you're not draining all the oil now." Come on, bro. All right, so drain most of the oil, right? Most of it. Put this thing back, tight it, snug it, you know, clean after yourself. You know how it goes. All that. All right. Now we're gonna do the oil filter. Oil filter is right here. Okay. All the tools that I'm using for this project, I'm gonna put it right under what it says product review. No, product section. I'm gonna use this guy, clamps. Just like that, pop. Okay, pretty much. Let it drain, In the meanwhile, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna use this one right here. That's the name Pronto oil filter, part number PO46112. 612. And this one, specifically this one, it give you different options for this type of car. LCD code, the part number, chain, frame, and all of that. Okay, so if you have a favorite one, oh, you like more the Napa, there you go for this car. Okay, all right, back to this. Remove the oil filter, just like that. Go. Look at this. In this case, this one is CarQuest. I think that's the brand from Advanced Auto Parts. That's the part number in case you want to know. Okay. If you think I'm wrong, you you can go you can go. No, I'm not gonna say that. You can go. You thought I was gonna say that, huh? Nah. I'm not like that. If you don't believe what I'm saying, you can go to Advanced Auto Parts. They're gonna ask you for. If you see an ugly guy in front of the camera, that's just my pet. Okay. The fuck.
Something wrong with you, Arturo?
Why?
You're sick?
You want to see
Oh
something?
my God, you're
So,
freaking sick.
ciao. Let me work, man. Come on, man.
Jesus
But
Christ.
if you don't believe me, you can go to Advanced Auto Parts and you give me the number of the car, the year and all that. No, don't break it. You break it, shit. You give me 700 right there. Stop interrupting, okay? Let me work.
Dale.
You said 3.9? Um, back to this. If you don't remember, if you don't believe what I'm saying, you can go to let's say Advanced Auto Parts, right? You go Advanced Auto Parts and uh, they're gonna ask you for the type of car you have. You know, 2017 Honda HRV, the size of the engine, and they're gonna give you a few options. A few options for the oil filter. I'm done with all this. Okay, tied it by hand. Don't use any tools. Everything Gucci. Now let's pour the new oil. Right here, everything is beautiful. Get your funnel ready. Put it there. Go get your oil. CRW20, 3.9 quarts. All right, let's get it. 3.9. Gotta watch out though. You don't wanna overflow the oil at the bottom. Okay. In this case, it looks like it's going down pretty good, pretty fast. Anyways, all right. Try not to make a mess. Not necessary to tell you that. Put the engine oil cap back. Start the car. Let it idle for a minute so the oil go through the whole system. Stop the car. Pull out your dipstick. Okay. And your dipstick is gonna look like this. Pull. Okay. Your oil is supposed to be right here. Okay, at the end of this mark. Okay. Right here, right here. Okay. So we're going in like this. Once you wipe it, put it in again. There you go. Okay. That's Gucci. Put it back. That's pretty much it with the oil change. All right, over here. How to reset the oil life in this baby. I'm gonna start the car, okay? Step on the brake pedal. You know how to start the car. Come on, go. Let me turn off this so you can see better. Now you see that message, right? All we're gonna do is press this button right here. This one. Press it and hold. If you don't see that message, you can just press it. Press the button. Press the button. It's gonna take you to the menu. There you go. Now press it and hold it. Let it go. Press it and hold it again. There you go. Let the button go. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, all right? Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. I hope you like this video, this tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Uh, Not necessary what to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share button. But if you want to support the channel, you want to show some love, I can tell you how to do that. Right below the video, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, and it's gonna ask you to leave a tip, just like the restaurant. You know what I'm saying? Once you're done, leave a tip. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Pause. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know how you like this car. All right. And I'm talking now. It's me, Stu. Boom.